Dabeli, a popular street food from Gujarat, India, is a spicy, tangy, and sweet snack. It's made with a special Dabeli masala, boiled potatoes, and served in a bun pav with various toppings. Here's a detailed recipe. Ingredients for Dabeli masala: to dried red chilies 1 tablespoon, coriander seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1/2 teaspoon, fennel seeds 1 inch, cinnamon stick 2 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida hing, 1 tablespoon dried coconut, grated, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds for the potato filling, 3 medium-sized potatoes, boiled and mashed, 2 tablespoons Dabeli masala. Prepared or store-bought: 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida hing, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons tamarind chutney, 1 tablespoon sugar for assembling Dabeli. 6 pav buns, burger buns, 1/2 cup spicy garlic chutney, 1/2 cup tamarind chutney, 1/2 cup chopped onions, 1/2 cup pomegranate seeds, 1/2 cup roasted peanuts, 1/4 cup nylon sieve thin crispy gram flour noodles, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves, butter for toasting. Instructions: Dabeli masala 1. Roast the spices. In a pan, dry roast the red chilies, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cloves, and sesame seeds until aromatic. Add asafoetida and dried coconut towards the end and roast for another minute. 2. Grind the spices. Let the roasted spices cool down, then grind them into a fine powder using a spice grinder. This is your Dabeli masala. Preparing the potato filling: 1. Heat oil. In a pan, heat the oil and add mustard seeds. Once they splutter, add cumin seeds and asafoetida. 2. Cook the potatoes. Add the boiled and mashed potatoes, 2 tablespoons of the prepared Dabeli masala, salt, tamarind chutney, and sugar. Mix well and cook for a few minutes until the mixture is well combined and heated through. Assembling Dabeli: 1. Prepare the buns. Slice the pav buns horizontally and lightly toast them with butter on a griddle or tawa. 2. Spread chutneys. Spread a layer of spicy garlic chutney on one side of the bun and tamarind chutney on the other side. 3. Add potato filling. Place a generous amount of the prepared potato filling on the bottom half of the bun. 4. Add toppings. Top the filling with chopped onions, pomegranate seeds, roasted peanuts, nylon sieve, and chopped coriander leaves. 5. Close the bun. Place the top half of the bun over the fillings. 6. Serve. Serve immediately, optionally with more chutney on the side. Enjoy your homemade Dabeli. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Please have a great day.